Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are shooting how to lower the Kawasaki 10R. So I rode it for 2-3 weeks without lowering. It was fun, but it was annoying because this bike has too much power and I cannot control it. So yeah, I think my fork is leaking a little bit. Right? So I'm going to lower it from the front and I'm going to install the lower link again and I will lower it from the back. Since Alright, bike is on the stand. I have to take the front stand. Don't worry about the oilish. I changed the oil and cleaned the engine block from outside, and the video memory got corrupted. So I recorded a very cool video, but video got corrupted. So fuck. Anyways, I have to clean it. I will clean it by whenever I install. I will wash my bike. It's clean now. I might wash it. I might not wash it. I'm not sure. So first thing, I need to bring the toolbox. Then remove the fender. So then I put my bigger fork stand, so it will go up, so it's much easier to lower it. Then we have to remove these covers and we will start opening the forks. From there are two bolts. There one bolt here, one bolt down, one bolt here, one bolt down. Then there are two bolt down, so it will come up. I will lower it around 1.8. Then we will install the lower link, which will be right there. Focus please. Right, this one. So we remove this one and we will install the lower link. Fuck man, my chain is so fucked. Anyways, meet Amma. Amma, की हाल चाल? खाना खा रहे हो? And what's the special of this stand? See, it connects up there. Letting focus. It's up, connects up on the fork, and it's not touching the fairing. You can see it right here. So now I can service the forks. I can move the front wheel. I can do whatever I want. That's what I like about this stand. And we are going to remove the plastic. After removing the plastic, the fork bolt will be here. There are two bolts under this. Then we can do it. I think you can see it here more clearly from this side. So we are going to open this bolt for the double tree. Then we are going to open the clamp bolt, which is right here for handlebar. Then we are going to open these two bolts right there. So fork will be free. Then we can lower it. Both forks are lowered. This puppy and right there another puppy. So now I have to measure it. Make sure they both. I have to measure it now. Make sure they both are same length. So I'm lowering around 1.8 inch from front and 1.5 inch from the lower. So yeah, I will measure it again to make sure it's perfect. Okay, so both sides is complete. They are completely properly lowered. So they come completely properly lowered. So I will remove the stand now and let it sit. Then I can tighten up the bolts, press all the bolts, and then we will install the rear lower link, and we will lower 1.5 inch from rear. We'll use the GoPro. I need to bring my jack, and I think this is 14 putting the phone by itself. I'm not going to extend the video a lot, so it's very easy. Open this bolt, and there's one more bolt down right here, and then the link will come out. So I'm going to open those and I will continue. So once you open it, all three bolts, then you will put the jack, then you will jack the bike up, putting on the GC. As you can see, once it's labeled, so right here I will show you, the screw will move easily, not the upper one, but down one you can see it's moving freely. Okay, I'm putting a bit weight. I can do one more. Off. Now it should move freely. The bolts are moving freely. They're completely free. So I will remove the link now. OEM link is out. And as you can see, this is the OEM. Now it's sitting on the jack. You can install. Just need to tighten up. So link is installed properly. And now we are going to adjust it. See the gap? We are going to lower it. So lowering is complete. As you can see, now I cannot put my winch down here. It's completely level, and if I remove the stand now, it's going to be level. So yeah, we are done here. Bike is done. Hit the like button if you like it. Dislike the button if you dislike it. Comment down why you dislike it. So yeah, I will see you on the next video. Peace out, take care, ride safe guys.